热的样子。
Hey guys, it's your girl Christina Michelle, and today we're in Teaneck, New Jersey at Teaneck's Farmers Market. Come with me and let's go check it out. Into my fruits and veggies.